Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on special, we have our 7-inch PCD coating removal wheel. This is great for, it doesn't have buildup. It doesn't smear the coating when removed. It's great for removing paints, glues, epoxies, no problem. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on special, we have our Lynx Hybrid Pad. This is a concrete and terrazzo wet and or dry transitional pad, but the majority use it wet. This is a tool that's great for stock removal, has a phenomenal wear rate, great on light machines, heavy machines. Message me now. Hi, this is Jordan with US Abrasives. Currently on special, we have our half bar 16 grit grinding plates. These are the 16 grit grinding plates in extra soft bond. Great for profiling a concrete for a heavier build. Can be used wet or dry, has a great wear rate. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on special, we have a Raven Copper Hybrid Pad. This is a great pad if you want to do cream polishes, if you want to push out metal scratches fast and have a tool that sort of lasts and is not becoming sacrificial. It works wet or dry, leaves a beautiful scratch profile. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on special, we have Prime Shine Densifier, which is a premium hybrid silicate densifier produced by Ameripolish for Prime Shine. This will fully penetrate various densities of concrete, regardless of region or hardness. Has a great penetration depth. Message me now. Jordan here with US Abrasives. Currently on special, we have our 5-seg 16 grit medium bonds. This tool is great for lightweight machines, for heavyweight machines. It has soft edges, doesn't leave any rogue scratches or deep gouges, leaves a nice uniform scratch profile. Great for heavy build coatings. Message me now.